This state-of-the-art ergonomic computer desk comes with two smart wiring cable drops, ambient and task light combo, with an LED Canon head, phone holder, two metal CPU holders, and heavy-duty 4-inch casters. This adjustable height computer desk integrates functionality and aesthetics in its design. The bi-level work surfaces are both independently height adjustable through an electric-powered telescopic lifter. With an effortless push of a button, the height settings can be configured to suit the user's preferences. For more details, click the link to the product page in the video description.